All right, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you watched the last video, we did the crank install, and I was worried about the end play not being enough. Um, redid the test. I have about six, maybe 6.5 thou. That's plenty. Um, most people will say 7 to 12. If you're going racing, they'll say you want 14. Um, Generally, anywhere between 5 and 14 is the general consensus. If you're somewhere in that range, everyone says you're fine. So the next step to do is to get your rings. These are Hastings rings I purchased, ring pack, and check the cylinder or check the gap. And got pretty good gap. I used a feeler gauge. I've got just the amount I'm supposed to have. Um, Little disclaimer. Um, I'm not a professional at this. This is my first time doing all of this. So if I say something wrong, um, it's because I don't know yet, and I'll try to do my best to come back and correct it later. But generally, I'm doing this the first time, never done it. So I bought Manly pistons, Manly pistons, and Manly rods. Um, Basically, I purchased exactly what they put in the terminators for mine because this application is boosted. It will be a supercharged engine. It was before, and it's going back that way. So you can check out the video on the channel.
I don't mind, I'll take in all your rage. I don't mind, I'll take in all the blame. I will always know my place. When you do these things to me, who am I supposed to be? Will you let my body break? When you do these things to me, who am I supposed to be? Will you let my body break? As the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before I'm alone how it feels to rest on your patient lips to eternal bliss. I'm so glad to be someone you've destroyed. As my body leaves the void, I'll fill it up with memories that I've destroyed. Burden me with hate and love, I will not reciprocate all the things you've done to me. Who am I supposed to be? As the hours pass, I will let you know that I need to ask before I'm alone how it feels to rest on your patient lips to eternal bliss. I'm so glad to know.
All right, so that's all in. These aren't offset, so it doesn't matter. They're chamfered on both sides, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to put it to where the manly part is facing the front of the engine on all these. Take this, this, slide it in. pin. C-clip. It's the hard part. One side. There's a groove in there. And there's C-clips, and then there's spiral locks. These are C-clips. They're a bit more difficult to get in, I think, but they can be done. This is tough. Doesn't want to go in there. I can't push it. There we go. One piston complete.
Woke up in the dark, heart heavy with scars, dreams out of reach, lost in this cold speech. Every step a strain, drenched in unseen rain, eyes searching for light in the endless night. Echoes of doubt in my mind, they shout, trying to be better, but nothing works out. Missing you near, through every tear, striving so hard.
Well, that's going to do it for this one. Stay tuned for when we put these in the engine, give it a turn, and start putting on windage tray, and all that stuff. The engine's going to start going back together pretty quick. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let's catch you on the next one.
Never alone inside my head.